kannya kange nga bulijjo yenze Senga Fifi mbeebaza bamikwano olw'okutuuka ku lunaku luno olwa Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter to all my fans, my friends, all busy, all gays, everyone. Friends from Telegram, happy Easter. Friends from Facebook, happy Easter. Friends from WhatsApp groups, happy Easter. Happy Easter to everyone in my country, Uganda. Happy Easter to my kale mbalamusizaako era nga nsi wano okubeebaza okuwagira channel ya Senga Fifi. Mwebale nnyo bamikwano, mwebalege. Channel yaffe ekuze era ekulidde ddala, era essaawa yonna we shall be monetized. Tugenda beera batumonetizinga. Ntegedde ye Mbagambe tugenda beera nga tuli monetized in time. So thank you so much for supporting Senga Fifi. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. They are special people God brought to me or sent to me. Bali awo bemanyi abanwaniridde okufuna watch hours. Banange, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, you people. Everyone, Facebook friends, WhatsApp friends, Telegram, Ugandans, Nigerians, Ghana, all friends from different countries, Jamaica. Mwenna neyanzanye bakwano neyanzege neyanza sina kyabagamba sina kyakwogera naye ndi musanyufu nnyo Senga Fifi okubeera nga nasobodde okumalayo watch hours zange. Era mbagaliza Easter ennungi, mbagaliza emirembe, mbagaliza buli kimu ekirungi kye buli omu kyeyandibadde ayagala okwetuusaako mu bulamu bw'ensi eno. Neyanza nnyo, though I'm missing my family, I'm missing my country, I'm missing my friends. I have nothing to do because I have to look for money. But I'm missing you people a lot. A lot. See my kids, but I can't. I want to see my dad, I want to see my mom, but I can't. I'm missing everyone in my country. My sisters, my brothers, my friends, my hobbies. Happy Easter. Thank you for supporting Senga Fifi. I'm requesting you people to continue supporting me. Era mbasuubiza nti nja kuleeta ebirungi ebisingawo. Nja kubeera musomesa omulungi. Omusomesa ateekubira, ate atavuma, ate atanyiiga. Mbagambe ki ndeke ki? Mwebale kuwagira Senga Fifi. Mwebale kuwagira channel yange. Anytime tugenda, we shall be monetized anytime from now. Anytime from now. Anytime from now we shall be monetized. Byebyo byenjo bagamba. Happy Easter. Be safe, people. Corona is still there. Too much. Wear mask. Or wear masks. Wembeera nga mutambula, wembeera nga moving outside. Mukuuma abaana kubanga kimanyi tuli mu holidays. Baleme kukwatibwa coronavirus. Corona is a killer disease. Mugende mufune vaccines amikwano abasobodde abalina chances accessing vaccines. Mugende muzifune wezibeera zizze. Byebyo byenjo bagamba. Happy Easter. I love you so much, so much, so much, so much. I'm really happy okubeera nga nsobodde okutuuka wano wendi ku channel yange eno nentuuka wano. Si lw'amaanyi gange, si lwaki, wabula lw'amaanyi gammwe. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. I'm really happy. I'm so happy. Happy Easter. Have a good day.